Should we do the intro now while we're here? Welcome to another Thames Racing video. We're at Yarmouth, all sunny Yarmouth, wicked Yarmouth. And we seem to have a problem. We've just gone out for practice and we're under fueling. I think, hopefully. We've got a brand new fuel pump there, so we're going to change it over. Hopefully we can sort it. It's windy as anything today, so you probably won't be able to hear me anyway. Last time I was here, we was leading the points and I got a win, a second, and then obviously started with the Smiths, where they spun me out a lap down, taking me out, trying to win the points. So we had a good meeting here last time, but we was in the Corsa, and this time we're in the Wadham. Who knows, Dad?
Did they win the points?
Nah.
Oh.
Nah.
Why is that? Because we decided they weren't.
Neither of us won it. Well done, Piercy. 22 cars booked in, or 21 cars booked in. The Smiths are here as well, or one of them, I think. So, plenty of action going to happen, I'm sure. Enjoy.
I changed that bit of hose as well, because we had nylon going into it. It's not that tight.
Yes, seats in there, isn't
We have got another one. We've got another
bracket.
I've got another bracket, yeah. I haven't got another sensor, I'll smash that.
Brand new one, here.
I'll smash that off. Also, Dad's on about these wires for the cool pack. Apparently I cut them, but it's here.
Oh, yeah, no. Very tall.
Misfire, try and sort out, change a few things, change everything.
I'll let you check them, Fred.
All right.
We can shout at you.
Need a bit more slack on that.
No, it should be right. Just rerouted it. I'm going to cable tie it to the engine. That's all. I'll cable ties it to that. Is it going to rain?
Ratchet forward part there. Huh?
Leads.
We haven't changed leads. We can try it. It's got fresh plugs in, but the leads weren't long enough that I had. They're blocked up. They are. Or should be.
Yeah, they are.
Range nav sensor was not far away.
Was it?
It's closer now.
Yeah.
Yeah, much.
That tap here soon stop.
Yeah.
Do with it.
It sounds better. I'll get.
It's running on all fours. I hope I win now. I'll be waving him like.
I'm going to follow myself straight to the close of that course.
Have you gone with reliability, Jack? You gone with the course? Reliability.
don't know what to do, Kurt. HT leads.
Check earths as well. It's still fluttering. It's got no.
Change the fucking. The only other thing we ain't changed is the carburetor.
We changed it before.
Changed it at
we changed it
at
at
Ipswich.
Speed Weekend.
Got another ECU.
Not with me.
Ketchy's got one. Have we got the laptop?
I don't know if his kid's here, is he?
Yeah, he's racing.
Yeah, he'll have a good
Map on there anyway.
map on it.
Right.
He had it rolling roaded.
Right, so we have changed the carb at Ipswich.
Do you remember at Order Shop? We had that bang. It was ECU.
Was
but
it?
We weren't running one out. We run an Omex.
Right.
But it was a solder joint in the ECU. Just made.
It catches over there, Kurt.
So see if he's got spare.
Yeah.
Right.
Just turn. Ah, me! Look at the petrol pouring in there.
All right.
PG-13, Joe.
Huh?
PG-13.
PG-13.
I swear it. Can we still get that?
Switch the fuel pump on a minute.
Get ready to turn that off, Biscuit.
I
Get her
put
off.
another fuel pump on, haven't I? So
Whoa.
Turn it off. Turn it off. Left one. That's it. Yeah. Turn it left. Turn it left.
That's just getting petrol in, but I don't know where from. It ain't squirting out of there. The body must be cracked. Because watch, it's filling up with petrol. Come on. The body must be cracked. Obviously, just leave it. Open that up. Right. Now just switch the pump on, watch. Normally it pours out here, but if you don't watch it, start filling up petrol. See, it's sitting on the float. Well, stop. Body must be cracked. It ain't coming through the Ventura and it ain't coming through this. It's just pouring, it's filling up with petrol.
Kurt, we changed the body
Yep.
and use this top.
Use the floats off of that one.
Yeah, because of the fitting.
Yeah. Okay.
That's one way to get out of it, isn't it?
You're a chicken.
Oh, he called me a chicken. Car wasn't that great, but I'd be better this one. I hit a post. I think it bent the steering a little bit, but
They're all right. It's just the body is leaking in. It's leaking in through the body somewhere. Don't know. You can see it filling up, but it don't seem to be coming out of the top. You know, like spilling over. I don't think it is these. We see if somebody's got a spare set of leads. You ain't got leads, have you? Spare set. We can just borrow.
No, I don't think I've got a brand new core pack.
We've
Got part of it.
done that. Yeah.
Yeah, but does it sit here on red fine?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got to be carbon. If it sits in red fine, that's all working.
A split.
Yeah. Is that his problem? Do you know if you fix that?
That's bent over though.
That's split, isn't it?
It ain't split. It is. No, I don't think it is split, but it was bent over, so it might not have been sealing, right? Which would have f***ed your float level.
So.
tape it.
Need a dumpy Phillips. Need a dumpy Phillips screwdriver. I can undo that a bit. Get a cable tie around there and there.
Just throw everything at it we can.
Yeah, it needs.
Hey, Joe. They called me a chicken again. Did they? Hey? How's that work?
Whoa. Tell you what, you ain't getting in the plunger.
Yeah, it's in there.
Is it in there? That's pouring loads of petrol.
Try another one. Different one. Try that.
Yeah.
Hold that spanner, the other side of this ECU.
Just turn that on again. We'll have a look. It's not spilling over now, Joe. Off.
Oh, don't lift it, don't the fuel tank off.
There's a little trick now. There's plenty of fuel. Let's see if it's spilling over again. Let's just hope. Does it look like it might be?
With a flow level around that near there. Or is that on properly?
Oh, there.
Try it on. That's good.
Yeah. Right. Thank you. Do you want to turn that off again, Jeff? Thanks.
Scratch the paint of ours.
It's like a tank. I never see the end.
It's because I replace it when it starts bending.
We get the
You have to hold
take
that
that
flat out now to start it up. It's fucking
Yeah, that's the problem I was having even without doing that. It wouldn't start up properly. It took ages and ages and ages to
It's
start.
filling the engine up with petrol now, so get in there, just hold it flat out. Wind it over. Sure, I'll do it here.
Yeah.
There you go.
You got a spark? It won't be fuel.
Hopefully. It sounded a bit better.
Change the carb, change the HT leads. We've already changed the crank sensor, it weren't that. Already changed the fuel pump, and it weren't that. I got a suspicion it's that fuel line, that dodgy fuel line we got.
So, the thing is, if it was after the pump, it'd be leaking out.
Because of the pressure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But before the pump, it's vacuum, and I've changed it to rubber. And changed the pump. Could be leads.
Well, we've done these now.
Yeah.
You take them up, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, good. But it's making a strange whining noise. He said it might be cam belt tensioner, but
Let's go.
it's gone. Misfire's gone. Look after that, please.
Pushing.
Seemed alright.
Okay. So you got a lot of weight on that corner, maybe.
Tyres working well. That's not even getting hot.
You driven through some grease. What's the grease on the inside? You need another tyre on there, probably. Or you need to clean that tyre off. It looks like there's grease on the inside.
You getting the welder out? Yeah, misfire's gone. It's making a strange noise, but as long as the misfire's gone, I'm alright. I'm happy. I'm gonna make a setup change. Yeah, of course. Don't know which way to go.
Huh?
I don't know which way to go. Could do with just rotating a little bit more. Just going to take the two big ones off.
Well, this 12s, aren't they?
They taking them off?
Yeah, and then that bit would come off,
Okay.
and the pads would be there.
Brakes are sticking on that wheel. I said I could hear a noise. I thought it was the engine, but brakes sticking, I think.
Go right down south. Yeah.
Cheers, mate. second gear. Even just down the straights. Huh? Before then. That's how they caught me back up, I think. Just 6 second, it just jumps out down the straight. Remember we had the problem before? Northampton. Right? You're jumping out of gear. You remember the problem we had before?
Jumping out of gear?
Like down the straights.
Is it that?
No, it's not that same select, that cluster.
Alright.
It's another one.
Have we got another one to put in there? Huh?
Yeah.
Massive flame. I looked down, there's a massive flame there.
What did he say?
Who? Don't know.
Well, they shouted at you.
Don't know, pussy, I think. This idiot. There's a flame down there. I looked down, I was like, Joe, check the car, please. Big flame down there. I was like, oh, going up. Like it's like slipping, like clutch or something, I don't know. And then when the steering was getting harder and harder as well. It was really weird. The brakes, they've got no brakes. Obviously I've got brakes, but it was going down to the... Down here, the flame went up.
Just one of their meetings. There's all over the gaff.
Here's the second meeting in your new car.
I know, both meetings have given us a load of crap. Unfortunately.
Rate the meeting.
2, 1.
What a day!
Terrible. Car troubles are doing my head in. Don't mind if it's driver error, innit? But
If it's what?
If it's driver error,
Yeah.
but when it's car, it winds me up.
Fred, rate the meeting.
Sure, 6 maybe. At a push.
Very generous.
Maybe, yeah. I'm being a bit generous, probably. Well, the positive is we found the misfire. Well, we didn't find it. We eliminated it, but so that's worth it. But it gets a 6 for that, definitely. But for racing, it's crap, really.
Rate the meeting, Jack.
6. No, yeah, steady, but car was quick. Can't get any results because they're out there.